sa verse 10, from now on, you will fish for people. Ayan. Dito nga yung sa ibang salin, you will become fishers of men. Nakikita natin yun sa mga damit or sa mga alagad. So they envision their purpose. Nakita nila kung ano ba yung kanilang purpose, no? So from fisherman to becoming a fishers of men. Mamamalakaya ng tao na ang kanilang pagkatawag. So the miracle wasn't just about the fish. Hindi lang ito about the fish. Ito pa pala ay may mas bigger purpose, no? So they are being called for a greater purpose, for a greater cause. So sila, magaling na silang mangisda. Yun kasi ang profession nila eh. Magaling silang manghuli. So yung kanilang galing, kita ng ating Panginoon yun. Alam. Tinwik lang. Sa galing mong manghuli ng isda, dahil yan ang profession mo, pero pina-encounter sila na one time, hindi sila makahuli. Pina-encounter ng Panginoon. Yung galing mo ng panghuhuli, baliwala kung wala kang dependent sa Panginoon. Pina-encounter ng Panginoon. Pero, tinwik niya, gagawin pala silang manghuhuli ng tao instead na isda. Greater yung purpose ng ating Panginoon kay Pedro at sa mga alagad. So, every miracle points us to a mission. No? The miracle wasn't just about the fish, it was about calling them to a greater purpose. And every miracle points us to a mission. Hindi lang ito basta isda. Hindi lang ito basta